Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap here to install button. I just before downloaded this application, so I'll tap to open. After the installing, tap the open button like in my case, and here you'll see the information about your battery temperature. In my case this is 35 degrees, and also here we got more information like the battery level, voltage, capacity, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.